So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 10th of August. Now let's just have a look around prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices trade through the 66.71. Had a brief rally back above 67.12. Weren't able to sustain that rally. We did see the revisit of the 66.71. Another brief rally, and we're now seeing a subsequent breakdown of the 66.71. So if we are to have more sell side momentum here on the US oil, we are looking for prices to, just bear with me a second here. There we go. So if we aren't able to break back above the 66.71, and instead what we do see is a breakdown, we are looking for price head down towards our 65.60. If we do fail to hold support at 65.60, we're then looking for price head down towards our 64.75, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside. Don't anticipate 63.76 coming to focus. May just be around at 64.75 or at 64.50 here on the US oil. If, however, we do see a counter trend rally and we are able to break and hold 66.71, we're looking for a move up towards our 67.12 to see if we do hold support around 67.12. And if that is the case, ultimately looking for a move up towards our 67.73, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range. I don't anticipate 68.19 coming to focus here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts. Their prices are developing. We'll get scale on here correct. And as we can see here on the US oil, we've had this consolidation through the 69.51 and ultimately 67.12. And we've seen a sharp acceleration momentum here to the downside from that 69.51. Very strong close, brief rally, and we all seem to have failed in that rally to sustain higher prices. What we are seeing is a continuation here to the downside. We've traded beyond our previous lows, closed beneath them as well. So we may just see prices head down towards that, where is that, 64.75 I said it was. Yep, in around that 64.75 was 64.50, where we do have that 200 period moving average from a daily chart perspective. Could see that used as a springboard for higher prices, but failure there. We're then looking for price head down towards our previous support here in around that 63.60 or so, in around that 63.76, give or take a couple of cents. In around 63.76, it's ultimately around that 63.62, I think the exact lows are. So within that zone, we'll see whether we do find support there for a rally here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.